akyatan. May mga baba. Pwede rin. Basta huwag kang matulas, ha? Morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is April 12, Saturday, 2025. So it's low tide today. So we're gonna try surf perching today. See you on the ground. Pishon tayo, pishon. Pishon tayo, pishon. Pishon. Uy. Pishon tayo guys, pishon. First cast. Yes. First fish of the day. First fish of the day. Yes. Big one. Woo. Fish on. Fish on yan. Nandito na. Uy. Double hook. Double siya, double man. Double. Wow. Galing. Double hook, man. Woo. Nice catch. Casting. Okay. Ito na lang tayo. Kakagatan ulit tayo. Yun. Maliit to, maliit. Oh, hindi, malaki-laki. Laki-laki to. Uy. Yes. Laki-laki to. Halo na ba eh. You know. Again. This is my fourth. Wow. Whew. Oh. This is my fourth. Huli again. Yan. Try lang natin yan. Huli ulit yan. Cast again. Monster again. Monster again. Woo! Monster! Woo! Swap! Monster! Ang laki nito! Sukatin natin! Sukat! Katin natin. Uy. Katin natin. Oh, laki. Oh, 13 and a half. Almost 14. Wow. Oh! Ooh, fish on again! Fish on! Woo! Oh! Yes! Woohoo! Yes, sir! Fish on again! See? Woo! Nice catch again! Nice catch! Woo! Back to back! Back to back to back! Woo! Yes! Dumadami na! May bite! Come on, bite! Oh, yun! Woohoo! Fish on again! Woohoo! You know? Ha! Back to back to back! Yes! Maliit! Maliit ngayon! Ah, pwede naman. Wala. Come on, baby. Oh, yun! Fish on! Yes! Kita mo yun! Na naman, fish on! Big one! Big one! Big one! This is a big one! Big one! Big one! Big one again! Big one again! Big one again! Big one! Big one! Big one! I told you it's big one! Big one! Big one! Big one! Nice! Come on. Red tail. Oh my god, limit. Oh man. Ooh. Oh man. Yero lang kulay kuya. Yay! Yes! Cut the 10. Ista mo tawagan mo 'yung kuya no, sarag kasam plural like 'yan kamta. Kasam picture. Yes, nakalimit tayo ngayon. Oh, sarap na sarap to. Kali fresh from the ocean. Ngayon, gagawin natin dito. Nag-isipan na namin kung anong pagluluto rito. So, hindi mawawalang inihaw, syempre. Sinigang at prito. So, napaka sayang araw na to at kami nakalimit ng 10. Malalaki pa at fresh na fresh. Oh. Next time, sama kayo sa aking pag-fishing. Okay? Bye! Oh. Hindi, tinara pa. Tinara. Siyempre, pinadala